In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into PayPal. To get started, open your web browser and go to the PayPal homepage. Once the page loads, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see the login button there. Click on Log In to begin accessing your account. This is the main entry point for existing users. So if you already have a PayPal account, this is where you want to start. After clicking Log In, you'll be taken to the Sign In page. Here, the first thing you need to do is enter your email address in the email field. Make sure you type the email connected to your PayPal account. It's a good idea to enter it carefully so there are no spelling mistakes, since even a small typo can prevent you from signing in properly. Once your email has been entered, move to the password field and type in your password. As you do this, remember that passwords are case sensitive, so uppercase and lowercase letters need to be entered exactly the way they were originally set up. If you're signing in on a personal device, take your time and make sure everything looks correct before moving on. If you're on a shared or public computer, it's also wise to be extra cautious and avoid saving your login details in the browser. After entering your password, the final step is to click the Login button on the Sign In page. This will submit your information and, if everything is correct, take you into your PayPal account. If the login doesn't work on the first try, the most common causes are a mistyped email or password, so double check both fields and try again carefully. Also, make sure you're on the official PayPal website before entering any account information, especially if you followed a link from somewhere else. That helps keep your account secure. And that's it. The process is simple. Click Log In from the PayPal homepage, enter your email, type your password, and click Log In again to access your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to manage payments, review activity, and use the rest of your PayPal features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.